In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or hide a selection on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top and then go down and select Preferences. On the left side, you want to go down underneath Image Windows and select where it says Appearance. And there should be something that says Show Selection, either check mark or uncheck that depending on your preference, and then do it as well for full screen mode down here. And that's pretty much it. And then select OK. And like I said, pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.